Hello and welcome. I'm Renee Thomas with Sockeye Consulting, and I will take you on a deep dive of the invitation to bid ITBs for Sage Construction Management today. So the invitation to bid section is found under your lead category. So if you go on the sidebar and you go to leads, you'll be able to get to your ITBs. The first screen you'll see is this one. So it gives you a general breakdown of your outstanding invitation to bid for this project specifically. So it's a bid summary, so it gives you who's in charge and when the bid date and time is. You also have your status of vendors, as well as general messages, any vendor messages, and any linked files. You get vendor insurance status, so you'll know who has expired insurance, who has no insurance, or who already has their insurance prepared. As well as where your invitation status is at this point, whether it's emailed or not emailed. The vendor team link access also it appears here, so you'll know which vendors have accessed their team link into the Sage Construction Management System, as well as those who have not. You'll also get your vendor response status, so anyone who has received their email and how they have responded in regards to if they will or will not be bidding. So this gives you a really good snapshot of where each of your invitations to bid are. As you can see, there's several tabs above. The vendors, when you open it up, will give you the list of vendors who have been sent their invitation to bid. In order to send an invitation to bid, you go under the actions and you add a vendor. When you add the vendor, you can choose from previous ITBs, the master list, a bidder list, or by classification. So I'm going to go to the master list, and I'm going to go scroll through, and let's say I want to add MRT. You hit add and close. As you can see, he was added to this. When you want to send them the invitation to bid, you just check off their name and hit send invitation. The templates for this can be any templates you want. So if you have a standard template that you do all the time, you can use that one, or you can create several different templates to choose from. For this one, we only have the default, so we're going to hit OK. And then it opens up to your email. So you have your recipient list, so you can edit that and add other people. You can also CC anyone you want, so you can import any people that we want CC'd on it, as well as it attaches all of the drawings. And if you have any other email attachments that you'd like to upload, you can upload those as well. And you can change the subject to whatever you want it to be. So right now it's an invitation to bid, project number. Good. And then you have the body of your email, so you can write in whatever you want here. You can let them know if there's a different format that the plans are available on, where they're located, and then it does all this, and then here's their response. So once you hit send email, that'll get sent to your subcontractor or vendor, and then they'll be able to reply. They'll also be able to create their team link from here as well. Go back to ITB. This section is your linked files, so you will attach any drawings, specifications, any particular documentation that you require for your subcontractors or vendors to use. All of that can be added in here and will get attached when you send that out. General messages will house any messages that you've sent out in general about the project to your vendors and subcontractors, and then your ITB vendor messages will appear here. You can have them show only unread messages, as well as you can have them show all messages, so you can see if they're read or not. So that is your basic knowledge of the invitation to bid section. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you.